number 3a, it says find the derivatives of, and it's giving us a thing. So we can do it in no time. Let's go through it. Minus x squared plus 3. Y is equal to minus x squared plus 3. We can find the derivative. dy dx here. Here we just use the power. Of course, we drop the power. It becomes negative 2. We reduce it by 1, negative 2x. Then we differentiate this 3. It's just going to be nothing because derivative of a constant is 0. Okay? So that is your dy dx. Now let's do b. B says that y is equal to 4x squared over 3 minus x. All right, so let's find dy dx now. dy dx is going to be equal to 4 over 3 is just a constant. So it comes, when you have things that multiply or divide, numbers that multiply or divide, they are not affected, okay? So they just come back. Then we differentiate this x squared. So how do we differentiate the x squared? We drop the power 2, reduce it by 1, x to 1, which is just x. Then this is minus, the derivative of x is just 1, which now becomes 4 over 3 times 2. 2 is a whole number, so it multiplies only the top. So it'll be 4 times 2, it's 8. So 8 over 3 of x, which we can write it as 8x over 3, okay? Then we say minus 1. Or we can first say 8 over 3 of x minus 1. And this just becomes, since x is a whole number, it goes to the top. So it's 8x over 3, then minus 1. This is going to be our final solution for this second part. Now we can go to the third part, which is part C, is negative 2t to the negative 1 plus 4 over t squared. So now, as long as we have our thing that we are differentiating in a fraction, then we cannot differentiate. So this is, remember that this is the s. That is part C. S is equal to this, okay? So what do we do? First, we rewrite the s, okay? We have to, so this is s is equal to, sorry for that. I have to first say it is negative 2t to the negative 1 plus 4 over t squared. Then we have to rewrite it, okay, to get rid of this t in the denominator. So it is negative 2t to the negative 1 plus, this becomes 4t to the, you know, when you come with something from the denominator and you put it to the top, the power changes the sign. So it is t to the positive 2, it becomes t to the negative 2. And now we can have our ds dt. ds dt is equal to, what do we do? In here, since this is a constant, we just multiply minus 1 times minus 2. That's the other way of doing it. We just say minus 1 times minus 2, you get positive 2, okay? Because minus times minus gives you a positive. 1 times 2 is just 2. Then the power reduces by 1. It becomes t to the negative 2. Then plus, we can put in brackets to say minus 2 times 4, it becomes minus 8. You punch in the calculator, then it's t to the negative 3. The power reduces by 1. So this just becomes 2t to the negative 2. Plus minus becomes minus 8t to the negative 3, which if we want to even simplify, we can say it's 2 over t squared minus 8 over t cubed. This is going to be ds dt. Then we can go to part D, which we do it as our last for part D. It's going to be D, we can put it as r is equal to 1 over 3s squared minus 5 over 2s. Now, of course, we cannot differentiate it like this. We have to change. So it's 3s to the negative 2 minus 5. It's multiplying. We can say minus 5 over 2. Then we work with this s. What is the s? It's just an s. It becomes s to the minus 1. The power changes the sign. Now, once we have it like this, we can differentiate. We can find our dr ds, the derivative of r with respect to s. This is just going to be negative 2 times 3 becomes negative 6, s to the negative 3. Then we say minus 1 times this becomes plus 5 over 2. S to the, you reduce the power by 1, s to the negative 2. Then now we are going to simplify. What does this become? Negative of 6 over s cubed, okay? Because this s will go to the denominator, it becomes s cubed. Then plus, here we have 5 over, this is now 2s squared, okay? And this is going to be the final solution, and we'll be done with it from A to D. Now we go to the next video where we are going to do E to I, okay? Goodbye for now. See you in the next one.